Hello guys, good morning. Today is Monday, 2nd April 2024 guys, and today is the day that we are going to plant our onions. As you can see, our onions are here. Ayan guys, ang ating onion. So itanim na po natin ang ating mga onions para sa ganun may onion tayo for the whole year round again. And I also have some beans in here that a friend gave me, and also this one guys, these are basil. It is these were free, binigay ng ano guys, ng mama na nagtinda nito, free kasi marami silang, ang asawa ko tsaka mga bata, marami silang binili na yun nga, onion. Look guys, ganito, as in na ready na talaga siyang itanim kasi can you see the roots guys, as in super, no? So let's return that. Bago ko itanim guys, I have to irrigate first. Yeah, so ayan, and I'm still waiting na maano tong mga ano natin guys, mga tanim natin na ito, mga halaman, mga flowers here. And these are marigolds, and these are zinnias. Maybe I can take one by one of these zinnias and then plant them very soon. So let's go. Alright guys, so I just finished digging and cleaning a little bit. Now it's time for us to plant our onions. See guys, the soil is fertile, it's brown because we put lots of compost in here, animals manure. I have the goat, the baby goat here. Alright guys, so yan pa lang ang naitanim ko guys. Nag-stop na ako kasi papunta na po ako sa trabaho. Mag-ready at saka mag-lunch. Yun, and then go to work. Itinanim ko na rin dito yung mga basil. Bale 3 yung nandito na basil. Kasi gusto ko ding taniman dito guys ng yun nga, onion din siguro. Gusto kong taniman nga ng flowers dito ng zinnias. Pero baka kainin ng mga goats siguro. I'm not sure. Magtanim ako pero siguro medyo malayo siguro. I mean, this space, lagyan ko ng space na ganito para pag lumaki yung mga zinnias, hindi maabot ng mga kambing and sheep. That way, may flowers tayo. Kasi gusto kong, guys, taniman dito hanggang doon. And also, I planted here, guys, yesterday afternoon. I think you saw in the previous clips. Yes, dito. And ito naman yung isa din na basil. Sana nga tumubo siya dito. Ayan. Sana nga lumaki siya, guys. So ayan muna ang naitanim natin, basil, zinnias, and yeah, more basil, and also some onions. So I will show you guys yung mga onions na natira. So marami pa guys. Ito pa lang yung naitatanim ko. Can you imagine? Yan pa lang ang naitatanim ko. Tapos meron pa tayo. Ayan. Marami pa. Kasi ang ginawa ko guys, tinanggal ko isa-isa. That way, mas malaki yung bunga niya guys. I mean, mas malaki yung bulb niya. Kasi kung itanim natin na ganun, as in iba yung shape niya, ganun. Tapos, medyo maliit, ganun. Kaya, ang ginawa ko is, as in na itinanim ko isa-isa guys. Maliban na lang kung as in na yung onion is very, very small and weak. So, hayaan ko silang dalawa. Yes. Pero, ang karamihan ay as in na isa-isa kong itinanim guys. Para sa ganun, marami din tayong ma-harvest na onion. Yes, very soon. Yay! So, ayan guys. And we will continue again tomorrow morning. Ito naman guys, yung binigay ng kaibigan ko na bean. A kind of bean. Hindi ko pa nailagay sa lupa. Hopefully soon. Or tomorrow. Tomorrow guys. Finally, after 2 days, natapos ko na ring itanim lahat ang mga onions.